want to have access to the dynamic results of your own project, it's not very complicated. By taking few steps, the analysis related to your own one will be ready in the system. So let's go to see that how we can do it. Our journey starts with static modeling. In the static modeling, you can build your own line very easily. You can add how many spans you need. For example, I need 4 spans, so I will just add 2 more. And then you have to provide the elementary information like the height of contact wire, height of the messenger wire to the system, and for more information, the mechanical properties are here for you. For example, I go to messenger wire and I can check all the details and related parameters to this specific component, and I can adjust it based on my need. After setting up all the input in the system, the results will be ready for you in the static result phase. You can, for example, check the dropper force, the elasticity, and the dropper length based on the different sections and spans in the system. For example, I want to check what happens in the span 3. By hovering on the droppers, all the information is available. After this phase, you can just enter to the dynamic modeling page. Here, you can add or remove any component you want. For example, you can add different pantographs in the different distance from each other or mechanical positions. For example, I want to add another pantograph and I want to put it in the 100-meter distance from the first one. Very easily I do it, and if I need to do more adjustment or change any more detail, the pantograph property is available for me. I can just adjust all the required information here. Now, when you just created your scenario, you have to see the results. And by entering to the dynamic results, we fulfill our promise which we gave you in the first of the video. Based on the created scenario, the results are ready for you. For example, in the analysis section, you can exactly see that what are the results. For example, I want to check section 1 to span 2. Again, the result is ready for me. And very specifically, the dropper force. For example, section 1, span 3, dropper number 2. You can have the results. Also, you can go and check the pantograph moment. What happens when your pantograph just goes under the line? More videos are available for you. You can just download it by clicking on this button and you can see the video. After checking all the required information here in the dynamic result page, you can see that what happens in the real world if you just execute the created scenario. So, by using this tool, you will decrease the risk of the scenarios you want to have them in the design phase. So, get the chance and create your first simulation project in the PANTOhealth.